We are pleased to show you the 2019 Q7. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, wireless charging station, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, refrigerated storage, audio-digital sound processing, Audi Connect satellite communications, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot. Your new ride is just a phone call away.